Important events in my life. My life of time. My name is Hansi. I am 26 years old. I will detail several events that were important in my life and in my family. Time life of my life. 1994 to present. I am both of June 23, 1994. I am 2012. I am graduate of primary education teacher. I am 2014. I start working. I am 2015. My brother Jordi as well. In 2016 we made the fifth family trip. In May 2016 my grandmother did very sad event. In August of the year 2017 I obtained my university technique degree. In June 2018 my grandfather had very sad event. In 2018, 19th of day my degree in basic education due party to cruise visit 20 places.